Here's a quick way to generate a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. Start by going to the Sales module and selecting Quotes. Create a new quote by filling in your customer details, items or services and amounts. This quote will act as your Proforma invoice, a preliminary billing document for your client. Next, customize it to clearly show it as a Proforma invoice. Navigate to Settings, then Customization, and then PDF templates and select quotes. You can either edit an existing template or create a new one. In the editor, look at the document details section and update the show document title field to read Proforma invoice. Save your changes. Now when you generate the document, it will appear as a professional Proforma invoice ready to share with your client. And that's it. Simple, clear and ready for advanced building in Zoho Books.